Cheryl. I'm with Flaler in Pierce County, a program powered by Green Trike and brought to us through the generosity of our sponsors and our partners. Thank you to our sponsors and our partners who make it possible for us to have these fun times together. Today we are thinking about bugs. And this is how you say bugs in sign language. Put your thumb up against your nose and wiggle your first two fingers like bug legs. And we're thinking about bugs. We're going to read a story about bugs. And we're also going to make some bugs. And I'll show you a fun way to do that. For the activity that we're doing, I'm going to show you the tools and the ingredients that we need. We need a straw, or any kind of long skinny thing, a stick, a chopstick, a skewer. Any of those things might work pretty well, but I know that a straw works really well. We're going to want a strip of paper that we cut that's a little bit longer than the straw, so you can see it's almost twice as long as the straw, which means that two straws can fit up there. We're going to want something to color or paint with. We're going to want some tape, and we're going to want a hole punch. So this story that I'm going to read is really quick and will just give us some ideas about what some bugs look like. And then from there, you can create your own bugs and use your imagination and your creativity to make some bugs for yourself. The book is Hello Garden Bugs, and it's by Julissa Mora, and it's all in black and white. They're very, very bright, very bold pictures. Hello, Bumblebee. Looking good, Ladybug. Hi there, Caterpillar. And look, as you're looking at these pictures, think about what one you like the look of, what you might want to make. Bonjour, Grasshopper. That's how you say hello in French. Good to see you, Dragonfly. Hola, little spider. And that's how you say hi in Spanish. And spider is araña. What's up, earthworm? Ni hao, sweet butterfly. That's how you say hello in Chinese. How's it going, snail? Happy day to all my garden friends. So friends, learning about bugs and making our own bugs can help us to appreciate all the things that bugs do for us, can awaken our curiosity about different kinds of bugs. You could use pictures like this to create your own bug. You could use your imagination. You could look at pictures of real bugs and see if you want to try and copy them. But we're going to use our finger muscles, our imaginations, our creativity to make a bug. So what I have is a bug body, and this could be a little worm. Look at, because it goes up and down and up and down. But then I also made some different wings and different parts of bugs. So here's a butterfly that I could tape to my bug. So maybe we'll just do, and here's dragonfly wings that we could tape to a bug and make a dragonfly. And again, you could color these in if you wanted to. And here's some ladybug wings too. So you can make all sorts of different kinds of bugs once you have your bug body. So I'm going to go ahead and tape my butterfly wings to this bug, and then I'll show you how to make the body. And it is a really good thing for our hand muscles and our eye to hand coordination, because we're actually going to be doing some weaving and some hole punching to make our bug body. So here's my little butterfly. And now it's kind of like a puppet. I can fly her around. Fly, fly, butterfly. Fly, fly, butterfly. Fly, fly, butterfly. Way up in the sky. All right, so how we make the bug body is like this. You're going to leave a space up at the top, like you're going to fold it down. And before you put it on the straw, you might want to make the face. This is going to be the face of your bug. So I'm going to draw a little face on here. And again, I'm kind of copying some of the pictures from that book that we just looked at. And to make my faces. And I'm making a happy bug face because they were all very friendly bugs. So we made a little face. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your hole punch. And oh, this is such good exercise for your hand strength. And you're just going to punch every little way. So just about that far apart, and punch. Looks kind of like buttons on our bug right now, doesn't it? And punch. And you could even save the little dots from the hole punch and make that part of your bug's decoration if you wanted to. You could glue those on there. I'm just going to sweep mine up, but you could do that. All right. And then you're going to take your straw and you'll put it through one of the holes, and then you're going to fold the paper over and put it through another one of the holes, and you're weaving it up and up your paper like this, in and out and back and forth, and just watching, lining the straw up with the holes that you've just punched, and kind of scooching your paper down and maybe giving it a little squeeze to fold it up a little bit. Back and forth and back and forth until you're all the way up to the top. And then you're going to take your tape and remember when you folded over the face, you're going to take your tape and tape your bug's face over the top of the straw, and that holds the straw in place too. And so there's your bug's body, and then spread the bug's body down a ways, down and down. Or you could leave it scrunched up if you wanted it to have a short body. And then choose some of the wings or legs or whatever you decided to make. Choose some of those to tape onto your bug's body. And you could make a whole garden full of bugs. You could learn about lots of different kinds of bugs and what they look like. Or again, like I said, you could make your own idea of what a bug should look like. But I just made a little paper curl, and I'm going to put my ladybug wings on here. And now we have a couple bugs and a couple bug friends. Maybe you want to tell a story or do a puppet show or just play with your bugs. This is a really fun thing to do, and I hope you have a happy time doing it too. Bye, friends. And my bugs say bye too.